Bangalore has given a fresh twist to Ganesh Chaturthi festival with their Ganesha Chitra Mahotsava called Vakratunda Mahakaya. In this festival, 75 artists have come together to present this unique collection of 75 Ganeshas, which showcases their personal interpretations of the beloved deity. This fusion of tradition and creativity takes this festival to a whole new level.
Vakratunda Mahakaya exhibition is organized by Akanksha Group. Akanksha Group has around 600 to 700 artists all over India, and few of them are self-taught artists, few of them are taken the degrees from other art colleges and all. So it's a mix of all artists. This unique exhibition is about Ganesha. Since we have now Ganesha festival, so we are celebrating this Ganesha festival with all these paintings.
The exhibition explores Ganesha's journey from traditional to modern art, featuring acrylic, watercolors, oils, mandala, kalamkari, Kerala, Tanjavur and Mysore mural styles, all under one roof. This Ganesha art demonstrates mixed media style with cloth and textures, giving it a unique and vibrant feel. This painting explores powerful lines with minimal use of watercolors, creating a striking and dynamic effect.
Here in this painting, I have tried to depict the 8th avatar of Ganesha, Dhumravarna. So he is supposed to be of smoky complexion and also attributes. So I have tried to include the fluidity of the attribute. This avatar of Ganesha is supposed to have manifested to annihilate the Ahankarasura, which is the ego in human beings.
Here is an example of conceptual Ganesha featuring a textured oil painting. For this painting, the artist has worked with soft pastels on jute. This charcoal painting is highly realistic with detailed shading and value tones. You can see the texture on Ganesha's dhoti and ears, adding depth to the artwork.
I like doing mandalas, so this is a Ganesha mandala, and I have tried to use pastel colors because I like the pastel colors.
Done with a ballpoint pen, this artwork showcases how the artist has created diverse textures and intricate details using just the pen. Graphite artwork on textured paper showcases great detail. Upon closer inspection, the textures become evident. Can you spot the mouse design on the throne?
I work on oil paintings. I have presented my Ganesha in oil color on canvas and have made with soft and simple form of Ganesha.
Artist Monika's painting, done in gouache medium on tinted paper, captures the look and vibrancy of metal Ganesha, often kept at home, serving as the inspiration for the artwork. The Ganesha series in the traditional Kerala mural style depicts the deity in 3 distinct forms. Upadesha Ganapati, playing playfully, advising Mushika not to overindulge in laddus. Vamana Ganapati, descending for Onam amidst a vibrant array of flora and fauna. And Bhikshadana Ganapati, representing sainthood.
It's a simple one. It's in acrylic colors and it's in a little bit tradition way as well. So I have tried here a new thing as my color scheme.
The wealth of knowledge behind these paintings is boundless, enriching our appreciation for creativity. As we near the end of today's Vakratunda Mahakaya exhibition, the journey leaves us with a sense of awe and devotion. If you have been to a unique exhibition, do share it in the comments. Would love to hear about it. We bid adieu to Lord Ganesha this year with the heartful chant, Ganpati Bappa Moria, Pudchya Varshi Laukarya. Do like, subscribe and share the True YE lifestyle. Continue to be amazing.